first step is to click on this Google here. On the search bar, you enter YouTube Studio because I want us to use the desktop version, not the mobile version. So after you click on YouTube Studio, click on login as you can see right here because we are going to our dashboard. Yeah, so it's directing us to the dashboard. Yes. Sorry about how slow it can be. Yep, I'm trying to edge somewhere. So this is one of my channels, as you all know. Yeah, so one of the thing I want to talk about, the very first thing, because I have three things to talk about, but one of the very first thing I want to talk about is you click on this create, like you want to upload a video. Click on upload video, just like you want to upload a video. So I'm going to be choosing a random file and then I'm going to show you the whole process. So I'm going to click on select files. So as you guys can see, I just selected a random file. Yes. So as you can see, but there is something I want to show you guys. Let us take a closer look. Please try not to skip any part of this video so you try to understand my point. Let us take a closer look and look at this show more. Let me zoom it because I'm actually using my phone, so I don't know if this is actually clear. So let me zoom it. This show more, this part that says show more, we click on it, show more. As you can see, let me go down. There's something I want to show you. Okay, this is what I want to show you, which says allow, no, not this allow embedding, like the one on that say publish to subscription feeds. This is it, publish to subscription feeds and notify subscribers. So what this whole language, for those of us that don't understand, is that do you want YouTube to publish your video, to post your video, like immediately you upload it? Do you want YouTube to share it, to notify your current subscribers that, oh, so person has posted a video, like to just pop it up on their feeds, like maybe when they are browsing? Do you want YouTube to do that for you? And here is how you can answer this question, because you can either check it or uncheck it. I know a lot of controversies is going on out there on YouTube. Even when I check my phone, I see so many people, a lot of controversial answers. But then what I'm going to tell you is this. I'm going to tell you what has worked for me, because I'm also going to show you how I was able to grow my subscribers and everything. I mean, in fact, I'm going to show you live example and proof of how it has actually worked for my channel. So what you should do first of all is, if you have less than 100 subscribers, or let's just say 100 and below, if your subscribers is 100 and below, please uncheck it. Uncheck it, because you need more people. 100 and below is too small for you. You need, especially when those 100 and below people are not watching your videos. If you post a video and with 100 subscribers and those 100 and below people are not watching your videos, please uncheck it. Whether they are even really watching or not, please uncheck, because you need more people. So but it is actually worse when they are not watching your videos. So once you tell YouTube that no, which is when you uncheck it, because you have 100 or less subscribers who are actually not really watching your video, maybe just a few of them. Maybe you're getting 20 something views. Yeah. So publish to subscribers. So what you're telling YouTube is that they should send it out to new subscribers, to new people that are not subscribed to this channel. So when YouTube sends this out to new subscribers, people that are actually not interested in your content, then they will now start watching your video. And when they watch your video, they can subscribe to your videos. Do you get? Like now, YouTube is sending it to new set of people, because if you have 100 subscribers and YouTube send your video to them and they are not watching it, it will send a wrong signal to the algorithm. The algorithm will not push it out to new people. But once you have few subscribers and they are all watching your videos, the algorithm will be like, oh, this is a good video. Then it can now say, let me send it to people that are non-subscribers. But if you have few subscribers and those few subscribers are not watching your videos, and this is even especially for those of us that actually got our subscribers through posting something different. A lot of us are into educational niche, but because we wanted subscribers, so we now had to change. Maybe we get shorts into entertainment and all just to get subscribers. So we're posting shorts on entertainment and then we got the subscribers that we wanted. Some of us even have lots of subscribers, but they are not watching our videos. Like you have like 10,000 subscribers, 20,000 subscribers, but they are actually not watching your videos, which is actually not helping the algorithm to push out your videos to more people that will actually watch and subscribe to your videos. So what you should do is to tell, if you see that you have large subscribers, so this category now for those to uncheck, I don't know if you guys understand. If you just put it down in the comment section, I'm going to be explaining better. So this category is for like some people, the category that have 100 and less subscribers that are actually not getting views, like the 100 and less subscribers are not watching their video, or those that have large subscribers, but their subscribers are not watching their videos. You can uncheck. Please, if you fall under these two categories, uncheck. Publish to subscription feed. Tell YouTube, like uncheck it. What I mean by uncheck, let me show you. As you can see, I just uncheck because you are thinking that how can I uncheck? Yeah. Uncheck it, and after you're done unchecking, you save, because whatever you do on this platform, you have to save it. If you don't save it, you have not done anything. So once you are done saving it, whenever you now post a new video, you will see that YouTube will not send that video to your subscribers unless if you like share them the link or you tell them to search your name, and then but YouTube will not notify them unless if they intentionally search for you. That's when they can find the video, which is actually fair enough since they are actually not really watching your video. So when YouTube sends it out to new people, new set of people, those set of people, when they watch your video, they will like it and they will subscribe, because especially when you create good content, that is one of the things I also wanted to share, because I said I have like about a few things to talk about, but I'm actually just starting with this. Also just create valuable content and make sure your video quality is good. You might not be so great with video editing, but make sure it is not bad. You don't have to be super great, but make sure you are not in the very bad. Yes, so you can be good, you can be average, yeah, but try not to be very bad and try to improve in your video editing and giving value to people, and try not to always beat around the bush when you want to start a video. That's why if you see when I wanted to talk about this video, I just went straight to Google, no introduction of, oh hi guys, welcome to my channel. Especially if you're not doing a vlog channel, there's no point saying or hi guys, get to know me, hi guys, my name is this and this and this. So there's no point. People just really want to get the information you have. They just want to know, okay, a lot of people have low time span. So I don't know if you guys actually understand what I'm trying to say. I don't want this video to be too long. I'm trying my best. Okay, I think I should just round it up here. So if you have any question regarding that, but if you have people, if we have so sorry guys, sorry. So when YouTube have sent the videos to the new subscribers after you have unchecked, when they now start subscribing, once you have gotten the amount of subscribers you feel like, oh okay, so let us say maybe you have already gotten about like 1,000 subscribers from them, and you're like, oh okay, these people are actually watching my video. They're subscribed because they saw this content, meaning they like this kind of content. For anybody to subscribe to your channel, meaning they like what you're doing and they're interested in what you're doing and they want to see you do more of that. So if you know that you are actually still going to keep posting videos more of that, and you have been getting subscribers like that, then you come back here to check it back, so that when you post a video, YouTube will send it to them, and when YouTube send it to them, they will watch it, and when they watch it, it will send the right signal to the algorithm that this video is good and is doing well. People are watching it. Then YouTube will now send it to new subscribers, to new viewers, people that are not even your subscribers, and that's how it is actually going to go viral. So guys, I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. If you find it confusing, if you don't get what I said, if you don't get how to choose, if you don't know if after watching this video, you don't know if you still check or uncheck it, then let me know. I also wanted to talk about tags, but this video is already so long. I think I'm going to pause it right here and upload it in my next video. There's something very crucial I want to say about tags, but that is going to take our time and it's going to make this video so long. So I'm going to stop right here. And please, if you're interested in videos like this, please do well to subscribe and wait for my next video. I'm going to be talking about tags. There's something you guys need to know about. There's a secret code to that tags. So do well to subscribe, do well to like, and do well to leave a comment in the comment section. I respond to all my comments. I don't ignore any comment. Whatever thought, whatever things, be it positive, be it negative, put it down in the comment section. I respond to every comment. All right, thank you so much. See you again in my next video.